If their health is reasonably good, then elderly people should go for a daily walk regularly, do light exercise daily, undertaken medicine, yoga and pranayam, indulge in some sports of their choice like golf and chess, read entertainment literature and seek and spend time in noble company. Increase your contacts with the others, family members and friends. Enjoy their company. Narrate good story to the children who are your future generation. Developing time, of affection towards them. Helps sick, orphans and helpless people to the extent possible. Educate the undereducated. Engage in social work and the useful service of the nation. Do not convert any post and unhelpful. Keep away from political and social interests. Help others to their hours of distress according to your capability and intellect. Be cheerful and happy at all time. Society, for its parts, must inculcate and nurture abiding respect towards its elderly children, honorables them and assess their others possible. Society must look upon its aged number not as a burden but as a source of experience, guidance and wisdom. Elderly people should make and stick to the regular routine in the matter of sleeping, reading, eating and other daily activities. When it becomes to treating illness and ailments, do not depend morely on the taking in the medicine, but also examine your eating habits closely. Only then the treatment have its proper and desired effect. Never neglect any illness, howsoever small it may seem. Immediately begin treatment of the medley and as soon as in the appear and take all the necessary precautions. The neglect of every day, the smallest of illness can lead to become serious and sometimes incurable. This is especially true in case of a small children, without sickness must be paid immediately attention and treatment right away. Take special precautions and the measure of the safeguard the health of the pregnant woman, mother of newly delivered babies and infants including upon 3 years of age. Take special care of the pregnant mothers of health of making effect to the keep their health happy. Always keep in mind that the thoughts and feeling as a pregnant mothers will be dearly affect the child on the wounds is either in a positive and negative way. Pregnant women, mothers have taken care for themselves in safeguard their own health and that of the expected body. A balanced nutrition, simple and a pure diet and to as regular times in the necessary. A program of light exercise and regular daily week is also healthy, beneficial for experienced heavy baby, but they must never export themselves and tire themselves out. Women must be never your consumer taxations like tobacco, cigarette and liquid. Maintaining a cheerful and pleasant frame of mind is very important. Om Shanti Om.